Thank you for your purchase on Dash Micro Tricycle. This tricycle comes with attractive looks, strong body base, water sipper, wide wheelbase at back for a perfect riding balance. This tricycle is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. You can assemble this cycle by using these parts. In step 1, take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body on both sides. Now place rear wheel caps to the wheels. In the next step, place bottle stand to the main body, lock it with provided screws. It's time to insert front wheel complete to the main body. Now place handle to fork with lock button. Also lock the handle to the fork by using provided plastic flower bolt. In the next step, place seat to the main body and fix the seat to TA body by using butterfly nut. For finishing touch, place bottle to the bottle stand. Your beautiful Dash Micro Tricycle is now ready to ride. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.